tutorial we are discussing about use VarArgs. So VarArgs is known as variable argument. Let's discuss about it. The VarArgs allows the method to accept zero or multiple arguments. Before VarArgs, either we use overloaded method or take an array as the method parameter, but it was not considered good because it lead to the maintenance problem. So VarArgs is used when we want to accept the multiple arguments and which is not fixed up to how much time we have to create an arguments. So if we don't know how many arguments we will have to pass in the method of VarArgs is the better approach. Let's see its advantages and syntax. Advantages of VarArgs. One of the most important advantage of VarArgs is we don't have to provide overloaded methods, so less code is required, and which makes the VarArgs more efficient. And its syntax is return type, method name, and in parameter data type, triple dot, and then variable name. And inside the method we write whatever we want to write. That is the body of the method. Let's see some rules for VarArgs. While using the VarArgs, you must follow some rules, otherwise program code won't compile. The rules are as follows. There can be only one variable argument in the method. And second is variable argument must be the last arguments. So we don't place the variable arguments as the first argument. We have to print the variable argument as the last argument. And one more thing is that we have to maintain only one variable argument in the method. So let's see the code how we can implement the variable argument, that is VarArgs, in Java. Let's see the code of VarArgs example. We already know that VarArgs syntax is inside the method. We use the value, that is string, and triple dot, and then the values. So in this way we create the VarArgs. Similarly, we do in this example. First of all, we create class VarArgs example1, and we take a variable method display, static void display, and inside method we take a parameter, that is string, triple dot, and values. And inside the method we just print that is display method invoke. Inside the main method, first of all we call the method with 0 arguments, and then we call the method with 4 arguments, that is my name is VarArgs. We just save it and let's execute it. So what happens here, when we execute this, it will invoke the method display method 2 times. First time for this and first time for this. Let's see the code. We are already in our location. So just write Zavax VarArgs example 1.java. See, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java VarArgs example 1. Hence, it will give me the answer, that is display method invoke 2 times. Why it not print the value in the display method? Because here inside the method we just print the value, that is display method invoke. We doesn't use the value over here, or we didn't print the value over here. That's why it will not show. Let's see another example. Similarly, in this example, we use the display values method, and inside it we use the for each loop to display the value of the variables or the arguments. Inside the main method, we first of all we call the 0 argument method, then 1 argument method, and then 4 argument method. Just save it. Let's execute it. Zavax VarArgs example 2.java. Hence, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java VarArgs example 2. See, first of all, it will call the method, that is display method invoke, with 0 parameters. And again, it will call the method with 1 parameter, display method invoked, and 1 parameter, that is hello. And again, it call the method, that is display, with 4 parameters, and it is display here, display method invoked, my name is VarArgs. So we can achieve VarArgs using this keyword, that is string, and then we use 3 dot line dot, and then use the values or any variable in which we store the value of string arguments. So in this way, we can implement the VarArgs in Java. We already know that VarArgs in Java is used when we are not fixed up to how many times or up to how many values we have to store in our Java. So in that case, we use VarArgs. Thank you.